Akala mo pickleball ay laro lang ng mga tita na naka-visor, naka-white sneakers, at may dalang tumbler na mas mahal pa sa racket? Well, partly true, pero lately, pickleball is becoming more than just a sport. It's becoming a quiet status symbol. Hindi siya kasing ingay ng golf. Hindi siya kasing intimidating ng tennis. Hindi rin siya mukhang pang-flex sa Instagram like Pilates sa aesthetic studio na may matcha after. Pero somehow, kapag may nagsabing, may pickleball ako ng 9 a.m., parang iba ang dating. Parang may time siya, may energy siya, may social life siya, at most importantly, hindi siya mukhang pagod sa buhay. And honestly, that might be the real flex. Today, pag-usapan natin kung bakit pickleball might be the new stealth wealth sport of the quietly rich. Yes, pickleball. Yung sport na parang tennis, badminton, and ping pong had a baby. Tapos pinangalan ng pang-condiment. At first glance, parang harmless lang siya. May paddle, may plastic ball, may court, konting takbo, konting palo, konting sorry kapag tumama sa net. Pero if you look closer, pickleball actually says a lot about a person's lifestyle. Because in today's world, wealth is no longer just about having a luxury bag, a sports car, or a big house with a chandelier na parang galing sa hotel lobby. Now, wealth is also about having time, having health, having good circles, and having the energy to enjoy your life. And pickleball quietly checks all those boxes. Let's start with the most obvious stealth wealth signal: time freedom. Kasi let's be honest, kapag may nag-invite sa'yo ng pickleball ng Tuesday morning, may dalawang possible reactions. Una, Tuesday morning, may trabaho ako. Pangalawa, game. After that, coffee tayo. And that second person, that person is living a different life. Hindi ibig sabihin wala siyang work. Baka business owner siya. Baka executive. Baka flexible schedule. Baka naka-leave. Baka retired early. Baka may passive income. Or baka talagang magaling lang mag-calendar block. But the point is, having time to play a sport in the middle of the day is a subtle flex. Hindi siya loud. Hindi siya look at my Rolex. It's more like, I own my schedule. And that's very stealth wealth. Because the truly rich don't always flex money. Sometimes, they flex control over their time. Yung iba, nasa traffic ng 8 a.m., pawis na pawis, late na sa meeting. Tapos yung isa, nasa court, naka-dry fit, nagwa-warm up, saying, let's just do one more game before brunch. Brunch. On a weekday, grabe. Sana all my brunch face sa buhay. Pickleball doesn't look flashy. That's why it fits stealth wealth. It's not like showing up with a designer bag where people can immediately guess the price. Pickleball is more subtle. You show up in clean activewear, good shoes, nice paddle, maybe a cute cap, maybe a small towel, maybe a tumbler that looks simple but costs more than your weekly groceries. And you don't look like you're trying too hard. That's the magic. It gives healthy lifestyle, not I need validation. It gives I have hobbies, not I am drowning in work. It gives I care about longevity, not I just bought this because TikTok told me to. And Filipinos love this kind of quiet signal. Kasi sa atin, may certain charm yung taong mukhang simple, pero alam mong komportable. Hindi kailangan naka-logo from head to toe. Hindi kailangan naka-head to toe branded. Minsan, naka-plain white shirt lang, pero ang linis. Naka-sneakers lang, pero ang fresh. May paddle lang, pero parang may trust fund energy. Pickleball is like that. It's simple, but it says, I invest in myself. Before, the rich flex was, I can buy anything. Now the rich flex is, I can still move well at 50, 60, 70. Because what's the point of having money if your knees sound like chicharron every time you stand up? Pickleball became popular because it's accessible. It's easier to learn than tennis, less intense than some sports, and social enough that you don't feel like you're exercising alone in misery. And that's why it appeals to people who are serious about health but don't want to punish themselves. Kasi not everyone wants to do CrossFit at 6 a.m. while someone is shouting one more rep like it's a military camp. Some people just want to move, sweat a little, laugh a little, and maybe win against their friend Marites in doubles. Pickleball gives you movement, coordination, cardio, balance, and social connection. And for stealth wealth people, that's important. Because alam nila, health is not just about looking good. It's about buying yourself more quality years. Mas maraming years to travel. Mas maraming years to enjoy your kids. Mas maraming years to play with your grandkids. Mas maraming years to spend your money instead of giving it all to maintenance medicine. That's the bigger lesson. A wealthy life is not just a life where you can afford things. It's a life kung saan kaya pa ng katawan mag-enjoy with those things. Now let's talk about the real hidden asset of pickleball, the network. Pickleball is not just exercise. It's basically networking in sneakers. You play doubles, you rotate partners, you laugh, you say sorry, kahit minsan hindi ka naman sorry. Then after the game, coffee na. And that's where the magic happens. After a few games, doon mo malalaman, ay, CEO pala siya. Ay, may business pala siya. Ay, siya pala yung owner ng building na yon. Ay, siya pala yung laging nasa Europe pero low-key lang sa Instagram. Very Filipino. Very subtle. Very powerful. Because here in the Philippines, opportunities don't always happen in boardrooms. Minsan, nangyayari yan sa clubhouse, sa coffee, after workout. Sa birthday dinner ng friend of a friend. Sa GC na biglang may nagsisend ng, may opening kami. Or habang may hawak kang paddle and someone says, actually, I know someone who can help. That's social capital. Hindi siya nasa bank account, pero it opens doors. Hindi siya nasa balance sheet, pero it can change your life. And this is why the quietly rich are very intentional about where they spend their time. They don't just ask, magkano kikitain ko dito? They also ask, anong klaseng tao ang makakasama ko dito? Because your environment matters. If your circle is always about gastos, drama, and comparison, mahahawa ka. But if your circle is about health, family, business, travel, investments, and smart money moves, mahahawa ka rin. So yes, pickleball is a sport, but for some people, it's also a soft entry into better rooms, better conversations, and better circles. Another reason why pickleball works as a stealth wealth hobby is because it feels aspirational, pero hindi siya nakakatakot pasukin. Golf? Medyo intimidating. Tennis? Parang kailangan magaling ka agad. Polo? Girl, saan tayo kukuha ng kabayo? But pickleball feels more approachable. You don't need six-pack abs. You don't need to look like a varsity athlete. You don't need to have trained abroad since childhood. You just need proper shoes, a paddle, and willingness mapahiya ng slight. And honestly, that's perfect for Filipinos. Kasi we love activities that are beginner-friendly but social. Kaya patok ang Zumba. Kaya patok ang badminton. Kaya patok ang walking groups. Kaya patok ang Pilates. And now, pickleball. But here's the twist. Simple ang sport, pero premium ang lifestyle around it. Nice courts, private communities, cute activewear, post-game coffee, healthy brunch, weekend games, group chats na may schedule, chika, and sometimes real estate leads. Suddenly, hindi na lang siya laro. It becomes a lifestyle. And for many affluent people, that's what they actually pay for. Not just the activity, but the environment. Because sometimes, the real luxury is not the paddle. The real luxury is being around people who are relaxed, healthy, positive, and not constantly complaining about life. That's premium energy. Pickleball is very stealth wealth because it doesn't look like you're trying too hard. Hindi siya loud. Hindi siya intimidating. Hindi siya please notice me. In fact, ang cute nga niya eh. The ball looks like something from a toy store. The paddle looks like a giant ping pong paddle. And the name is pickleball. Pickleball, parang side dish. So when someone says, I play pickleball, hindi siya tunog mayabang. It sounds fun, casual, and harmless. Pero underneath that, it quietly says a lot. It says, I have hobbies. I make time for myself. I take care of my health. I have a community. I'm not just working, paying bills, and waiting for the next long weekend. And that's a big deal. Because dati, people thought being busy was the ultimate flex. Sorry, I'm so busy. Sorry, back-to-back meetings. Sorry, no time to eat. Sorry, I live inside Outlook calendar now. But now, the new rich energy is calmer. It's not, I'm busy. It's, I have boundaries. It's not, I'm exhausted but successful. It's, I'm successful enough to not be exhausted all the time. Pickleball gives that vibe. It says, I work, but I also live. And honestly, that sentence sounds more expensive than any logo. Of course, we cannot talk about pickleball without talking about the Filipino tita factor. Because let's be real, Filipino titas are powerful market movers. Pag may isang tita group na nag-decide na uso na ang isang activity, tapos may matching outfit, visor, GC, lunch after, and group photo captioned, Fun morning with the girls. Tapos na. Trend na yan. Pickleball is perfect for the tita economy. May movement pero hindi traumatic. May competition pero friendly pa rin kunwari. May outfits, may accessories, may cute bags, may water bottle, may reason bumili ng bagong shoes, and most importantly, may chika. Because what is a Filipino hobby without chika? Hindi ka lang pupunta para maglaro. Pupunta ka rin para malaman sino ang pumayat, sino ang absent, sino ang nasa Japan again, sino ang may bagong business, sino ang may anak na nag-aaral abroad, sino ang may bagong paddle na suspiciously expensive. That's not just sports. That's community intelligence. And that's why pickleball spreads fast. People don't just come back because of the game. They come back because of the bonding. For Filipinos, the social side is the glue. Kahit anong hobby yan, Zumba, badminton, golf, tennis, running club, Pilates, or pickleball, yes, the activity matters, but the community is what makes it addictive. Pickleball has the perfect mix. Movement, laughter, competition, and chika. Basically, cardio with social benefits. Now let's connect this to stealth wealth. Stealth wealth does not mean nagpapanggap kang mahirap. It means you don't need to scream that you have money. Hindi mo kailangan laging nakalogo. Hindi mo kailangan every purchase may announcement. Hindi mo kailangan lahat updated sa bagong bili mo. Stealth wealth is choosing better signals. Instead of flexing expensive things, you flex peace. Instead of chasing attention, you build options. Instead of looking rich, you live well. And that's why pickleball fits. Because pickleball doesn't say, look at me, I'm rich. It says, I have time, I have health, I have community, I have space in my life for joy. And honestly, that's a deeper kind of wealth. Kasi maraming tao mukhang rich pero stressed. Mukhang rich pero baon sa payments. Mukhang rich pero pagod na pagod. Mukhang rich pero every month kinakabahan. That's not the goal. The goal is not just to look expensive. The goal is to build a life that feels light. A life where you can afford your needs, enjoy your wants, protect your health, and still have time for things that make you happy. Real wealth gives you options. The option to play, the option to rest, the option to say no, the option to take care of your body, the option to spend time with people who make your life better. That's why a simple hobby like pickleball can represent something bigger. Hindi lang siya laro. It's a symbol of a life with margin. And in this economy, having margin is luxury. So should you try pickleball? Honestly, yes. Especially if you want something active, social, and not too intimidating. Pero please, don't go broke trying to look like a pickleball influencer on day one. You don't need the most expensive paddle agad. You don't need 5 outfits. You don't need a visor in every neutral shade. You don't need a tumbler na parang may sariling fan base. Start simple. Borrow a paddle if you can. Join a beginner session. Wear proper shoes. Bring water. Stretch. And please, Don't act like Olympic finals agad yung first game. Kasi may ganun lagi. First session pa lang, naka-compression sleeve, naka-game face, may pre-game ritual, parang may prize money. Relax, pickleball lang po ito. The goal is to move, enjoy, meet people, and build a healthier routine. And if along the way, you gain new friends, better health, better energy, and maybe even better opportunities, then that's a win. That's the kind of hobby worth keeping. Not because it's trendy, but because it supports the kind of life you actually want. And kung nagustuhan mo itong video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Low-Key Wealth PH. Because remember, low-key is the new wealthy.